On the 28th April 2026, Jacob Zuma, the president of Umkhonto weSizwe, received a warm welcome in Davidson as he handed over a house in Chris Hani, Extension 1 Vivian Drive, Ward 69, to a family whose home had been burned down earlier this year on January 18, 2026. Gogo Evankingi, the beneficiary, expressed gratitude for the gesture, stating it had significantly changed her life.
The way bengiphila ngakhona ekuqaleni bekungafani nokusha kwayo lendlu azange ngibe lontuzane ngibe namandla bengazi nokuthi ngizoyenzani kodwa wafika uZuma wangikhipha ehlathini wangakhela indlu ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu.
The community welcomed Jacob Zuma warmly and commended the party's efforts, particularly in supporting Gogo Evankingi.
Mina nguzanele Sikhosana ngihlala khona la eChris Hani Extension 1 mara ngihlala ngale mikhukhwini ngibonile indlu mayisha ngifikile nami njengomphakathi sabona abantu bancedisa bacima umlilo mara into esiyibonga kakhulu iMK ngokuthi isiza ugogo ukuthi imrenovate indlu siyabona kagogo kuhle into abayenzile inkulu kakhulu endeyinhle mara nathi besicela njengabahlali basemikhukhwini ngoba ayikho development asinagesi asinamanzi asinayitradi noma umuntu agula or umuntu omdala ama ambulance awakhona ukungena ukuthi asize besicela nathi ukuthi MK ngathi nathi ngasibonelela lobuhle sikubona la kugogo bungapheleli khona kuphela nakithi buze ngale mikhukhwini ngoba la sihlele khona asihlelanga kahle.
Sebenzi ama-RDP awathiwa umsebenzi ama-RDP dalahlele emikhukhwini abayenzi next right.
For mina ukuthi MK izile yazosibonisa ukuthi yenza njani umsebenzi wayo. Ngifisa sengathi ngachubeka yenza kanje sizoyivotela. Okunye futhi isize mase isivotile isize sithola imisebenzi kungangena abantu abayi1 emisebenzini unlike iANC. Sithola ama-RDP abantu bahlele emikhukhwini abanagesi. Abantwana baqeda isikolo bahlele lokishini at least bathole like aboma project into zama skills bafunde into zezandla. And then okunye kuningi man put kuningi.
The program kicked off its activities in Katlehong at Chris Hani Vivian Drive as the second point and concluded at Mbigwacimbi Hall for the main event, where Jacob Zuma addressed party members and the community.
Tisetso Malau and Lawrence Matontela for eTwatwa TV.